Hello, Cosmos Explorers. Welcome back to Cosmosphere. Somewhere 600 light-years away from Earth, a distant sun shines over an alien world. Its name is Kepler-22b, a planet shrouded in mystery, a world that may hold oceans deeper than any on Earth, a place where sunlight filters through thick clouds and life, perhaps, could stir beneath the waves. What if we could stand there? What would we see? What would we feel? Today, we journey far beyond our solar system to uncover the secrets of a planet unlike any we've ever known. This is the story of Kepler-22b. In March 2009, NASA launched one of the most ambitious space missions ever attempted, the Kepler Space Telescope. Its mission: to find Earth-like planets orbiting distant stars. The telescope stared at over 150,000 stars in a fixed patch of sky, watching for tiny dips in brightness. These dips, transits, could indicate a planet passing in front of its host star. In December 2011, the data revealed something extraordinary. A planet 2.4 times the size of Earth, orbiting a star remarkably similar to our Sun. And most importantly, it was located in the habitable zone. It was named Kepler-22b, a rocky, watery world, orbiting just far enough from its star that liquid water could exist on its surface. A possible Earth 2.0. Kepler-22b orbits a G-type main sequence star, a yellow dwarf almost identical to our Sun. This star, Kepler-22, lies in the constellation Cygnus. It radiates light and warmth, just enough to make its planet potentially habitable. 1 year on Kepler-22b lasts about 290 Earth days. The orbit is nearly circular, ensuring a relatively stable climate. But what lies beneath the cloud tops of Kepler-22b? To understand that, we must imagine a world larger than Earth, and what that might mean. Kepler-22b is classified as a super-Earth, a planet with a mass and radius larger than Earth's, but smaller than ice giants like Neptune. It likely has a dense atmosphere, possibly thick with water vapor. Its surface gravity would be stronger than Earth's. And beneath its clouds, scientists believe, an ocean. A global, endless ocean. I try to picture it. No continents. No shorelines. Only a boundless sea stretching to the horizon. Clouds rolling in slow-motion skies. And somewhere below, the unknown. Could something live there? To support life, a planet needs more than water. It needs chemistry, energy, stability. Kepler-22b may have it all. Its atmosphere could trap heat through a greenhouse effect, creating a warm and stable climate. If its oceans contain minerals and hydrothermal vents, like those found in Earth's deep seas, then life, even primitive life, is not beyond imagination. What if we're not the only chemistry experiment the universe has run? What if Kepler-22b has been brewing life in the dark for billions of years? But there's a catch. Kepler-22b is 600 light-years away. That means any signal we send would take 6 centuries to arrive, and another 6 centuries to hear back. With current technology, it would take millions of years to send a spacecraft there. We can observe, we can imagine, but we cannot yet go. Despite the distance, we have ways of learning more. With advanced telescopes like the James Webb Space Telescope, we can analyze the starlight that filters through Kepler-22b's atmosphere during a transit. These observations can reveal the presence of gases like water vapor, methane, or even oxygen. Each molecule tells a story. Each hint brings us closer. Why do we search for planets like Kepler-22b? Why do we scan the stars looking for something familiar? Because the question of whether we are alone is not just scientific. It is human. We search to understand our place in the universe, to know if Earth is unique, or just one of many oases in a vast and silent cosmos. I think about the first time I saw the image of Earth from space. A pale blue dot. What would Kepler-22b look like from above? Would it glimmer with ocean light? Would its clouds swirl in silent harmony? New missions are already being planned. Future telescopes will be able to directly image exoplanets, to see their surfaces, to study their climates, to perhaps spot signs of civilization. And one day, in the far future, humanity may send robotic probes beyond our solar system, to fly past alien worlds, to send back pictures, to witness Kepler-22b firsthand. Maybe it won't be us. Maybe it will be our descendants. But someone someday will see Kepler-22b with their own eyes. And everything we imagined will be tested against reality. Kepler-22b may be distant. It may be unreachable. But it has already changed us. It reminds us that Earth is not alone. That there are other worlds, other chances. And somewhere, on a planet bathed in alien sunlight, the story of life may be unfolding once again.